And then a little bit further down we reach what looks like a prison yard. Hello. Hello. Oh, bloody hell. Tell you what, Mr. 80 Quid certainly knows how to pick a road to get to a launching site. He knows how to pick a nice spot, doesn't he? Plus side, it's an easy launch point. Look at that. Straightforward enough. Mind you, I bet he could fall in again given half a chance. It's Mr. 80 Quid.
Alright, mate.
How you doing, bud?
Not so bad.
Here's another reprobate.
Good afternoon, mate.
It's eBay sellers.
Meeting of the reprobates.
And we've got another one, raffle tickets here. We're just having a mooch round for potential launch points. This does remind me so much of the merge between Selby Canal and the Aaron Calder, because it's got one of those kind of bridges on it. Right, let's do this. So, big boat's out in the big boat, and he's planning a trip down the River Severn, so Mr. eBay's going with him, so they're having a trial out in the Itiwit Canoe today. It's a beast, isn't it, that? Look how wide that is. Mind you, he's got a big ass. And then Raf, raffle ticket, he's out in the little advanced elements, drop stitch floor.
No, the first night.
I believe. Oh no, he's only got a soft floor in. And I'm out in the Pea Pod, so I'm going to chuck it in the water and get it tied up. Right, let's get in. You come in. Come on then. Better get a bit of air in this. It's good this, he plays a tune. Nice, huh? Yeah, I know, I'm a daft sod.
Well, we're going that way away.
Something like that. It's a bit breezy, so it's going to be an interesting one, this. Quite nice to be back out in the Pea Pod. It's been a while. Don't know what Raf's fanning around at. I'm just going to go and check on Raf. He's alright, he's back in the water. He had a twisted bladder. Yeah, I know.
Carl, why are you always in everyone's way?
It's what I do best. Forgotten how nicely this thing moves, considering it's so damn big. Because it's so sleek, it moves quite well. Okay, well after all that fanning around, we're finally on the move. Quite industrial around here. You can see what I mean by it being a bit breezy. Here come the boys. Got some exciting views here. Fleet clean. Wow. Don't I just bring you to all the best places? I guess on the plus side, you don't have to travel far to get to a bit of greenery. And then a little bit further down we reach what looks like a prison yard. But on the plus side, some nice lilies. Ducks flying off. Not much of a shot of a duck there, Mart. But that does mean there is the possibility of others. Stick around. This is Kellingley Bridge. Looks like there's a bit of reparation work going on, or a new build. It's alright, they've not got young'uns. Look at that, I've just been carved up there. Carved up by the bloody river hooligans. Hello. So looking at the size of these moorings on the side here, there's clearly been some hefty boat traffic down here at some point in this river's history.
Obviously we're not allowed to touch electricity because we're not qualified.
Well, actually I have bought some solar stuff in order to save a bit of electricity. And there'll be a video to follow on that shortly. So this is another one of the Kellingley bridges. Kellingley Rail Bridge. Kellingley and... So we're actually on the Kellingley and Goole Canal. I've just seen a sign up there. So this isn't the air and Calder navigation. And that's Kellingley Railway Bridge. Some work going on here, isn't there? Wonder what they're doing. If you know the area, let me know in the comments. Looks like we've got a couple of liveaboards moored up here. Very colourful one. Bridge 11, Stubbs. The plan is to paddle to this next bend, see if there's anything worth seeing beyond it, and if not, we're going to mooch back. I'm going to head over to the other side of the river because I want to show you something. Over there in the distance there's some really nice hills and woodland, and I'm not really sure where that is. In fact, let me lift the camera up so you can see it better. There you go, look. What are you looking at me for? You're looking at me like I've gone out. Well, looking ahead, I'll turn the camera around. Pipe Bridge and back.
Bend and back.
I've always said Raf was a bit backwards. Only the shark. Hello. That's a nice place to park your boat. Bit of traffic noise though, isn't there? Bit of white noise. To the bridge and back. To this pipe bridge.
We've not been here before.
No, this is just
Just
a
having
dummy
a
run.
paddle around.
Well, to be honest with you, it depends whether you're putting kettle on.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, hello. Stubbs Pipe Bridge. So this is our turning point. And this is going to be the fun bit, because the wind is totally against us now. QE2's just turning around behind me. Yeah, it's a little bit choppy. And of course the worst thing is, every time I stop to do something with the camera, when it's windy, then the boat stops and you have to get it going again, and you've got rolling rock syndrome, i.e. it's easier to keep the rock rolling than it is to get it going again. I'm getting a tow.
Come on, old man.
I'm getting a tow from the twin cylinder machine. Yeah. Right. Oh bloody hell! I'll get it going. Looks like we've got to help them out. You see, they think I'm slow, but you see how slack that line is, and I'm paddling. Not bad, this. Come on, you were just getting into your stroke.
Yeah, it's easy for you to say.
I was paddling, as the video will attest. Yeah. I kept a slack line going there. Do you know what is weird? Is you can feel that webbing under the water pulling. It's tickling. Go on then, you dig in and I'll dig in, and we'll see if I can keep the line slack. Go on then, go for it. I'm going for it already. Oh, it's going tight. No, it's slack. They can't do it. See, they can't do it. They can't do it. Can't do it. It is interesting though, isn't it? It just goes to prove the point that two paddlers aren't necessarily much faster than one. Well, that was a bit of fun. Well, after that little bit of fun and frivolity, it's been hard going on the way back. Headwind all the way. Ah well. Anyway, well, I've got you. If you're enjoying what I'm doing on this channel and you like the video, give the video a like and smash subscribe and hit the bell. You never know, I might do something else you might like. If you've liked this, that is. Hi there. Back where we started. Here we go. Will he make it out without falling in? He has.
These are easy to get in and out.
Steve's out as well.
These are really scary.
Right, are you watching?
Please do,
Right.
show me.
Feet on either side
I
of the
did that.
boat.
Yes.
Right? And then just kind of hoy yourself out, as long as you keep
Yes, I did that. Right, but my boat went like that.
it. Yeah, that's not how it's supposed to work. All this just for a thumbnail.
You're on, mate.
They're cursing me, these buggers. Right, okay, I'm coming in.
He's on the top. Twisting your way. We're ready this time, mate. I think we're there. Everybody stick your thumb up. Calls are cold. How can we stick our thumbs up? Hang on. I can't do that with this, mate. Are we done?
Kiss for the camera. That'll do. Thank you. Whoa! Well, that was a lot of fun. We're all heading off. Thank you so much for watching. Cheerio.